Order in the court. We gather here today for a very important case. Joy, by some also called happiness, representing the lighter side of life, had brought a grievance against sadness, accusing them of causing harm to our lives. This courtroom is now the stage for a battle of emotions, a trial like no other. We shall delve deep into the realm of emotions, examine the evidence. It is our solemn duty to determine whether sadness is truly the culprit, or if there is a more intricate truth concealed within the human heart. Now, let the proceedings commence.
Ladies and gentlemen, and other respectable personas of the court, I am Joy, the embodiment of happiness and all things bright. I think everyone knows me here very well and appreciates my effort to make your life enjoyable. Today, I stand before you to shed light on the accusations against sadness. Let me introduce you to at least a few serious crimes sadness has been committing. First, they have been found guilty of causing depression and despair, plunging people into the abyss of hopelessness, where they lose sight of all that is good. I believe that even if you don't recall being a victim of such a crime, you know at least one person who has been harmed like this by sadness. And remember how you tried to help them? Remember what happened then? Sadness didn't let you do it. Instead, they have torn families and friendships, isolating individuals in their sorrow, leaving them alone, unable to connect with their loved ones. But that's not everything. Sadness is also a thief. They've been witnessed robbing people of their motivation and ambition. They suck their energy and leave them with a sense of exhaustion, unable to chase their dreams. They're like an energetic vampire. I bet they don't even have a reflection in the mirror. And I suppose they'll try to convince you otherwise, that they're just an innocent emotion. Don't be fooled though. Sadness have been known for their scams and deception. Whenever they can, they cloud judgment and impair decision making. And that's how sadness led many individuals down paths of self-destruction, making them vulnerable to making choices they later regret, like buying and eating 3 chocolates in one sitting. But sadness doesn't destroy only mental health. No, they're thirsty for more. They mercilessly hurt your physical health as well. They give you physical symptoms, weaken the immune system, and thus making individuals susceptible to illness. Just remember the time when sadness brought you down so much that you thought it couldn't get even worse, and then boom, they made you sick. And lastly, sadness preserves a cycle of negativity, trapping individuals in a web of misery, like a vicious spider. They try to keep us, me, Joy, and you, apart, while we want to be together, and I want to show you the beautiful world.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid.
Sadness selfishly takes you away from me just to make you suffer. Sadness is basically like the other sibling who turns off the TV during your favorite show because they're bored. These accusations against sadness bear a heavy burden, as they mirror the psychological and emotional disadvantages that countless individuals face. So today, we seek clarity and understanding, aiming to uncover the truth behind those claims. Today, I, Joy Happiness, in the name of everything being, accuse sadness of making our lives worse, and we dare to seek the justice.
Ladies and gentlemen, and other film personas, it is only fair that we allow sadness the opportunity to defend themselves against those grave accusations. Sadness, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I apologize for any inconvenience. Just...
I object to this marriage.
Huh?
I'm sorry, wrong case. I'm sorry for being late. This case didn't let me show up in my casual clothes.
Are you the defendant of sadness?
Yeah, it's me.
Shouldn't you be more formal in the court?
Yeah, I suppose so, Your Honor. But I don't want to bore the audience too much, so I hope it will be overlooked.
Just proceed with the defense.
Right, defense. I swear I had it somewhere.
Your Honor, could we stop this ridiculousness? Sadness is obviously guilty.
Oh no, my client is innocent. They would never beat anybody up.
But I didn't even accuse him of that.
No? Sorry, wrong case again.
Enough, enough. Cuesee, do you have your defense?
I might have left it at home. I'll blame ADHD for that. That little brat.
Let's leave trial for ADHD for another time. Now, I postpone the trade to tomorrow, and Cuesee, please bring your defense and try not to be late this time. Your client isn't really in a good position and is going to be tough to defend them against Joy's accusations.
Don't worry, Judgy. Tomorrow I'll prove the innocence of sadness and more. I'll show you what a great emotion they can be and how we should apologize to them and be grateful for their actions. So stay tuned and expect to see the positive side of sadness tomorrow.